name is Maureen Jerry, and I'm the County Executive Committee member for Green Nairobi. Green Nairobi covers the dockets for environment, water, food and agriculture at the County of Nairobi. Today we are here for us to look into the project that was begun last year on the Nairobi River's regeneration work that we have been carrying on. And I must say that this is a project which we have been waiting for as a city for many, many years and for decades now. We are happy as Nairobi City County Government because we have been collaborating very well with the Nairobi Rivers Commission in terms of implementation of this project. Nairobi City County Government has had several roles and responsibilities where this project is concerned. Our work majorly has been to offer technical guidance in terms of the work that is currently being done. We've also been heavily involved in terms of making accessible spaces, land spaces which are needed for the various works which need to be undertaken along this corridor of the river. We've also been heavily involved in terms of supporting them and making sure that we facilitate them to have those grounds available and in the manner in which they're supposed to be. If you look at this space where we are at Kamkunji currently, we have a lot of waste dumping that happens even on the perimeter of this wall. Our work majorly is to make sure that the waste is carted away, and we are also able to provide the required support in terms of supervision. This has been work that we have been carrying on through the support of His Excellency the Governor of Nairobi City County. And maybe before I start, I would like to just maybe give a brief history regarding this river's work and where we started from. Over the years, the rivers in this city have been heavily polluted. We have 3 rivers in this city. We have Nairobi, we have Mathare, we have Ngong River. This is one of the rivers which has been heavily polluted over the years, looking at the areas within which this river is flowing. If you look at the sector where we are at, and as you go downstream, it's heavily populated by informal settlements. So there's a lot of pollution that has been over the years that has gotten into the river, majorly because of urbanization and the fact that a lot of residents have moved into the city and hence have developed and encroached into the riparian area of the river.
My name is Josephat Karomi, Chairman Kamkunji Environment Conservation Champion, a community-based organization. So I'm happy to see this catalytic project progressing well because it has empowered a lot of young people who were initially engaging in heinous acts like crime, drug abuse, pickpocketing, dumping. But after this program has come, it has empowered them, and if you walk across the community, you will find that there is no more issue of mugging that were taking place because youths usually engage in this heinous act when they don't have something in their pocket. Another thing is that the work that is progressing here, we as the community, we are the one who came up with the idea of the master plan, and we appreciate Public Space Network and Nairobi Rivers Commission for working towards that master plan. And if you can see now, we will be having a modern football pitch with amenities like toilet that were initially they were not there.
This program is fully funded by the government of Kenya, and the cost is approximately 45 billion to undertake the full scope of the work. This program, for it to be sustained, and that's why we're working with as a multi-agency team, we have the county government of Nairobi. Most of these areas are county areas. The parks are county parks. The sewers are the waterworks and Nairobi Water and Sewerage Company work, parts for them to play and to maintain. And so within the whole of government approach, we will ensure that there is effort to remove the waste, and the county mainly, because this is mainly the county part that we are sorting out, then they will take up to ensure sustainability.